Okay, so there's a ton of noise online, right? But a new community just popped up that's promising something a little different, a space where faith and purpose actually meet. So today, we're going to break down exactly what this Affirm Your Greatness community is, who it's for, and what's really driving it.
And this right here, this is pretty much their entire mission in one single sentence. It's not just about, self-help. It's about growing boldly, with a real sense of purpose, and doing it all within a faith-based framework. This is the bedrock for the whole thing.
All right, so let's get right to it. First things first, what is this community? And more importantly, who's it actually for?
Okay, so notice the wording here. It's not just called an online group that happens to be on the Skool platform. They call it a sacred space. That's super intentional. It's meant to feel like a focused, set-apart environment for one specific reason, helping believers renew their minds and really walk in God's promises.
So, we know the what and we've got the why. Now, let's talk about the how. What do you actually get when you join? Let's take a look at the exclusive member benefits. So, the whole experience really boils down to these 5 key things. The idea is to have simple, consistent, but really powerful touch points throughout your week. So let's break down what each of these actually means for a member. First up, you've got these weekly affirmation videos. And the whole point is to kind of tackle those Sunday scaries or that Monday morning dread before it even starts. You get a short, scripture-based video that's designed to just reset your mindset for the week ahead. Next are the Sunday sermon drops. And just to be clear, this isn't just a recording of a sermon. The goal here is all about application. It's about pulling out the practical, real-world insights from messages at Redeemer Oasis Church and figuring out how to use them in your job, with your family, in your actual daily life. Then for more personal, quiet time, they've got these bite-sized devotionals and journaling prompts. And the key word here really is bite-sized. These aren't like long, heavy theological studies. They're short, easy-to-digest prompts designed to help you connect with your faith and grow, but on your own time, without feeling like it's another thing on your to-do list. And to make sure you're not just passively watching videos, there's a live interactive piece to this. They do these monthly faith and focus coaching calls. It's a chance for everyone to get together and really work through some of the bigger topics like mindset, getting clarity, finding your purpose, all through that biblical lens.
And this might be the most important part of the whole thing, the community itself. This is what stops it from just being a library of content and turns it into a living, breathing group. It's a place where you can actually share prayer requests, celebrate wins with people who get it, and grow together instead of trying to do it all on your own.
Okay, so now that we've seen everything that's inside, let's talk about who this is really for. Who is the ideal person for this kind of space?
It's pretty interesting who they're targeting. It starts really specific, right? Christian entrepreneurs, coaches, creatives, but then it opens up to basically include anyone who's looking for more spiritual depth and personal growth. So it seems like they're trying to create this unique mix of practical, real-world ambition with a solid foundation of faith.
Now let's talk logistics. The way you join is meant to be super straightforward. No complicated tiers or anything like that. Let's just look at the actual numbers.
Okay, so you've got 2 simple options. The first is a monthly membership. It's $9 a month, and that gets you full access to everything we just talked about. Or
You can go for the annual plan. That one is $50 for the whole year, which, if you do the math, saves you a decent bit compared to paying month to month.
And what's really key here is how simple they've kept it. Doesn't matter if you pick monthly or yearly, you get access to everything. There are no hidden levels, no premium content that you have to pay more for. And this quote, this is basically the tagline that sums up their whole approach. No tiers, no upsells, just transformation. The message they're sending is pretty clear. Their focus is on your growth, not on trying to get more money out of you down the line.
All right, so for our last section, let's zoom back out and look at the big picture. What's the ultimate why behind all of this? What's the core mission?
This closing thought from the founder, Dennis M. McGorry, really pulls it all together. It's not about some giant, overnight transformation. The whole idea is about small, consistent steps together, moving forward one affirmation, one breakthrough at a time.
And that really brings us to the big question that this whole community is trying to help people answer. It's a pretty powerful thought to leave you with because, honestly, whether you join this community or not, it's a question worth asking yourself, isn't it?
Want to start your week with power, peace, and purpose? Join the Affirm Your Greatness community. where faith meets mindset, all for just $9 a month or $50 a year. This is your space to speak life, grow boldly, and walk in God's promises. Affirm your greatness, speak life, live boldly.
Now available on Amazon.com. Unlock the transformative power of positive affirmations with this essential guide by certified personal development coach and motivational speaker, Dennis of DennisMotivates.com. In Affirm Your Greatness, you'll discover the science behind affirmations and learn how to craft personalized affirmations that resonate with your unique journey. Get your copy today. Find the link in the description. Thanks.